So here we have the form finally made up. There's our pieces that we seal coated last night, ready to go. We're going to do a 1/4 inch thick deep pour and then come back in a few hours and set those pieces in it so that it can be nice and thick on the bottom with no wood exposed. Full epoxy enclosure. When work time is fun time, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, now we're in a different dimension. Did we just enter the quantum realm?
No, that was 20.
Just don't let there be a MODOK. He's just annoying.
He was disgusting.
He's annoying.
I can do so much cool things with this.
Whoa. So this is where a sink is going to go, and it does not need any resin here. And we caught it early enough that we can actually take this resin out here, put a piece down, and use this resin elsewhere in the project. Save our customers some money.
I just felt like this needed a little disclaimer. This is not taffy. We are not going to be eating it. And I'm actually not very good at making taffy. No one should ever call me from this video and say, hey, I saw that taffy you make. Can you make me some? I'm better at cookies.
And it's okay that it's got all these lines and stuff, because the concept of this one is that it actually is a river. So we're 2 pours in, 3 different color mixtures in.
So now we're right in the middle of the project, and this is really coming along. We've got seashells and sand in the river, trying to give it as real of a look of an actual river in the wild that we possibly can. This is the full depth pour all the way up with blue, and the only thing left after this one is ready to add some color to is to make some of the water froth around the bottom of the waterfall.